Okay, so for problem 30, we now have a trinomial times a trinomial and a lot of variables. So I'm actually going to do another area model. Oh, let's get it in purple. And this time it's going to be a 3 by 3. I'm going to make sure I leave lots of space in my boxes to write. So that's why I've intentionally made some pretty big boxes here. And so across the top, I'll just do the second one, minus 7x squared, minus 3xy, and minus y squared. And then down, we have 4x squared plus xy plus 6y squared. You can add pluses there if you want. And so once again, we're just going to multiply, each row and column, so this and this for the answer. And so I would get negative 7 times 4 is minus 28x to the fourth. All right, then this next box is negative 12x to the third, because it's x squared times xy. And then I have negative 4x squared y squared. Then coming down, I have negative 7x to the third y. And then I have negative 3x squared y squared. And then negative xy squared. And then finally here, I have 7 times 6 is 42, so this is negative 42 x squared y squared. This is negative 18 x y to the third. And finally, negative 6 y to the fourth. Now, interestingly, every single box is negative, so we could actually factor out a minus 1. I'll wait and do that in the end. So once we are combining like terms, remember we can often look diagonally. So these terms will be combined. These terms will be combined, and these terms. So when I do it, I of course get negative 28 x to the fourth minus, and then 12 and 7 is 19 x to the third y. All right, minus 4 minus 3 is negative 7 minus 42, that's minus 49 x squared y squared. 18, that's minus 19 x y to the third, and finally minus 6 y to the fourth. Now you could actually leave it just like this, minus 1, or if you wanted to, you could actually factor out a minus 1. And then just turn everything positive, 28x to the fourth plus 19x to the third y plus 49x squared y squared plus 19x y to the third plus 6 y to the fourth, like that. And so by doing that, you kind of keep everything positive and you have this nice negative 1 on the outside. That's everything.